Welcome. Food is a cause and a cure. For factual nutrition information, please subscribe to our channel. Following a plant-based diet is becoming increasingly popular. But vegetarianism and veganism are misunderstood. This video will address some of the most common myths. Let's debunk some vegan myths. Myth 1: Vegans don't get enough protein. Truth: legumes like soy, beans, lentils, peas, and peanuts are packed with protein. Myth 2: a plant-based diet is restrictive. The truth is there are many alternatives and not at all restrictive. Mushrooms, jackfruit, legumes, and pulses are all popular plant alternatives to meat. With careful seasoning and preparation, these whole foods can replace bacon, pulled pork, beef, mincemeat, and more. Beans and lentils are ideal ingredients for curries and stews. They are extremely high in protein and fiber, low in fat, and a healthy source of B vitamins. Myth 3: plant-based food isn't healthy. As per a study review conducted by Imperial College London and reported by the BBC, consuming just 200 grams, approximately 3 daily portions, of fresh fruit and vegetables could reduce health risks. The risk of cardiovascular disease could be reduced by 13%, risk of cancer by 4%, and risk of premature death by 15%. Myth 4: a plant-based diet isn't suitable for children. But, a 2018 article published by the National Center for Biotechnology Information, NCBI, says, vegan diets can meet nutrient requirements and can be an appropriate choice for all life stages, including pregnancy, lactation, infancy, and childhood, provided that they are well planned. Myth 5: you'll be deficient in B12. B12 is critical to any healthy diet. B12 is synthesized by soil bacteria and is almost exclusively present in animal products. But, don't worry. Here are the options for you. Fortified plant-based products such as nutritional yeast, cereals, and vegan milk are a good source of B12. However, the NCBI suggests that all vegans, and those following a primarily plant-based diet should, take supplementary B12 in addition to healthy foods. Scientists discovered a source of bioactive vegan B12 in water lentils. These aquatic plants, also known as duckweed, grow in bodies of still fresh water. Florida-based startup Berable has created a water lentil-based powder called Lentine that contains approximately 750% of the RDA of B12. Myth 6: plant-based food is low in calcium. Calcium is essential for bone health, heartbeat regulation, and effective blood clotting. Deficiency is particularly common in menopausal and postmenopausal women. Therefore, the RDA is higher for people who have had periods aged 50 and above, from 1,000 mg to 1,200 mg. Do you know every day, we lose calcium through our skin, nails, hair, sweat, urine, and feces? That is why it's important to get enough calcium from the food we eat. When we don't get the calcium our body needs, it is taken from our bones. This is fine once in a while, but if it happens too often, bones get weak and easier to break. Calcium requirements can be met in a vegan diet by eating most green leafy vegetables low in oxalates, cruciferous vegetables, sesame seeds, almonds, fortified plant-based milks and plant-based yogurts, soy, tempeh, calcium-set tofu, and dried figs. Almonds have the highest calcium content of all nuts. Myth 7: a plant-based diet is low in iron. According to NCIB, a well-rounded plant-based diet is typically higher in iron than that of an ovo-lacto-vegetarian or meat eater. Lentils, cannellini beans, potatoes, tofu, spinach, and hemp seeds are all rich in iron. Don't let these myths discourage you from trying this eating approach. After all, research suggests that, when followed well, it may improve your health and trim your waistline. Thanks for watching. We hope this information is useful to everyone. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more nutritional videos, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.